now we get to the official forensic stuff that you're supposed to have. I appreciate your patience for that machine learning, and if you're not interested in it, I'm sorry if that was in your way. But anyway, now we'll get to digital forensics here. And so that gets you to here. And here, mainly what we're going to do is use this product autopsy. You need to have a Windows machine of some kind to put it on. And there's various projects here to prepare a Windows machine if you need one on Azure or in a local machine. There's a couple of projects here for SSH Tunnel and Chrome Remote Desktop, which are important if you want to access it through a firewall like our firewall that blocks RDP. You may not need to do that. And then we'll talk about autopsy. But first, good, I see someone likes the machine learning. That's good. All right, anyway, so let's try. But first, let me point out the binary games here. As someone was talking about, John Gonder was talking about this in the introductions. Forensic people can read binary the way it is. And so if your students need to learn binary, which I imagine they do, here's one way to learn it. So I've got a PDF showing the fundamentals here. And so you got nibbles. And so in base 10, if you write 147, that means 100, 4 times 10 plus 7. As you see it here, hundreds place, tens and ones. But in base 2, you have only 0 and 1. So it becomes 4s, 2s, and 1s. So this is 5, 1, 0, 1. And here's counting up to 7. 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1, 1 is 7. And a nibble has 4 bits. So the one on the left is the number of 8s, then the number of 4s, then the number of 2s, and then the number of 1s. So this is 9. It's 8 plus 1 and 0 of these others. And so these are all 16 nibbles. The highest nibble possible is 15, which is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. And lowest one is 0. So there's a challenge here, H101, where you play a game, and I modeled this after the Khan Academy. Learning from them how to teach math. You have to practice until you've got it. So you have to get 10 of these in a row right. There's 0. This is 8 plus 4 plus no 2 plus 1. So that's 13. And this is 10, 8 plus 2, and so on. When you get 10 in a row right, you'll get a flag to turn in. And in the same spirit, this is nibbles, and then there are a couple of these for bytes, and then hexadecimal, which is more extension to the same thing. So this is what I have students do, and I tell them, don't go on to the next one until you're succeeding at the previous one, and preferably just one lesson a day is the best way to learn this stuff. So that's the binary games. I'll stop this video.